Welcome today in Switzerland, one of the largest waterfalls in Europe, Rhine Falls. Before continuing, let me know in the comments from which country you are watching right now, and then let's start our trip. It is located close to the German border. You can take a group excursion from cities around or reach it by train or by car. We travel by car from Germany to Switzerland, and you should remember you have to buy a vignette in order to drive in Switzerland. The price is around 39 euros and it's valid up to 14 months depending on the day of purchase. You can reach the Rhine Falls from the north. There will be a few public parking. The price is maximum 3 euros and you can stay there up to 4 hours. Or you can go to the official parking lot on the north riverbank, but the parking there is quite expensive. 1 hour 5 euros and any additional hour is 2 euros. I would not recommend that. On the north riverbank you can enjoy all views completely for free. And from here you can take a boat and come closer to the fall. There are 5 different lines, from 6 to 18 euros, and you can choose what fits you best. The most adventurous trip is to travel to the rock in the middle of the Rhine Fall. I'm sure this will be unforgettable emotions. Another possibility is to arrive on the south riverbank, where Laufen Castle is located. There are 2 huge parking. You don't have to pay anything there, it is for free. You can even go to inside courtyard and look at the Rhine Fall from the top. In order to come closer, you need to purchase a ticket for 5 euros. Go inside of the castle, visit some exhibitions, go downstairs to the fall and come back on the glass elevator. There is also a boat you can take for a few euros to reach the north riverbank. Or you can also go there by foot using the bridge. A few interesting facts. It is 23 meters high and 150 meters wide. The most impressive water flow is in summer, up to 600,000 liters per second. Therefore, fish cannot swim upstream, and there is only one kind, eel, that can go upstream on the rocks. One story from the history: the city close to the falls, Schaffhausen, was bombed by the US Army in April 1944 by accident, as their target was Germany. The US government apologized and paid at the end around $18 million. But as a result of that, up to 60 people died and many people lost their homes. Last but not least is where you can eat. I'd recommend a nice restaurant on the north riverbank, which is called CM Brauhaus. And here is also some story behind. In 1814, Tsar Alexander I with his sister visited Neuhausen, and as they were quite hungry, they knocked at the door of this building and asked if they can eat something. The family didn't have much, but they tried to show their hospitality and gave some bread and milk they had. Tsar Alexander I appreciated that and gave them a few golden coins. I will highly appreciate if you put like to this video and subscribe to the channel. Continue watching and enjoy astonishing footage from the Rhine Falls.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow. like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no, no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the gold. He never lonely, got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
Summer nights, flashing lights, when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
Take it how you want it, I'ma give it to you G straight. NML beat slam, not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, said she from Atlanta.
Summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh. Summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
On the way to Switzerland, you can also enjoy the view on the Bodensee. It is gorgeous.